Welcome to our tour. Today, we're taking you inside a modern coffee complex to see how raw beans turn into instant coffee. Let's get started.
Delivered by the truckload, these fresh red cherries immediately enter the wet processing stage, where sorting begins.
In these tanks, the next-gen process uses natural enzymes to break down the fruit matter surrounding the beans.
The cinematic time-lapse reveals the enzymatic breakdown process in stunning detail as the coffee beans ferment within the industrial vats.
Once the beans arrive, our integrated logistics system tracks every pallet from the truck to the roaster.
Welcome to the next-gen process. Our advanced destoning and cleaning line meticulously removes rocks and foreign objects from the green coffee beans.
This is the next-gen process, where high-speed cameras scan green bean beans at an incredible 400.
The system provides unparalleled control, with temperature profiles and timing parameters displayed in ultra-high definition.
The dramatic color transformation you see here is the Maillard reaction, essential for developing the signature aromas and flavors.
Transformed from their raw green state, these beans represent the pinnacle of the next-gen process. Through sequential grinding stages, the beans are precisely reduced to specific particle sizes for optimal extraction.
The liquid coffee extract enters the vacuum evaporation system. This process removes.
As the concentration rises, the temperature must remain stable to ensure optimal flavor preservation.
Inside the drying chamber, microscopic coffee droplets meet superheated air at 480 degrees Fahrenheit.
Next-gen process, agglomeration system, transforming fine powder into instant coffee granules for better solubility.
The concentrated extract enters the freezing chamber, where temperatures rapidly drop to negative 40 degrees Fahrenheit.
As you can see, the spray-dried coffee on the left is lighter and uniform. In contrast, the freeze-dried coffee
Here we measure the precise granularity, a key step in our quality control process.
The next-gen process ensures instant coffee moisture content remains under 5%, critical for proper shelf stability.
As the hot water sublimos fast instant chills.
Aromatic steam rising from reconstituted Nescafé instant coffee, showing proper aroma release and quality.
Nescafé offers unparalleled diversity in an instant coffee format.
The journey begins with the raw green bean. Through our next-gen process, it is perfectly roasted,
As dusk settles, the next-gen process facility comes alive, a beacon of industrial